I just bought this expensive niche fragrance at duty free in Amsterdam. Let's see if it's worth it. Here is the actual packaging of the fragrance. Let's see what it's like. This is my first time buying from Byredo. Hopefully it's a good presentation. Had to get this one. So here we go. It's making a little jiggly noise. Hopefully that's not a bad thing. No. Looks like we have a sleeve and then we have a side bit, but look at that. That's already been punctured. Oh, please don't tell me I got screwed. Hopefully this is just an issue with transit. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can tell, I'm sweating now. All right, sleeve off. Oh boy. I got a notepad with all their fragrances, it looks like. I don't know if I can really show you due to my hands, but there you go. Cool, I guess. I mean, it looks okay, right? What do we think? Did I get screwed? I don't know if I did. I just don't like the fact that the side was already opened. Like someone's already looked at this fragrance. I don't know why that scares me, but when you pay $275 for a fragrance, you want to make sure everything is correct. I'm trying to see, does that look like it's been sprayed? Does that look like it's been sprayed? Like, we're missing that much of the bottle, or is that just normal? What do you think? If I hold it up straight, I would say no. I think we're good. I think we're good. I just feel like lately I've been not having the best luck when it comes to fragrances, so let's see. Forgive me if I'm a little hesitant. Lid, is that magnetic? I'd say it's magnetic, but I can't even get it off. Wow, that's a strong magnetic. Like, that's magnetic, but it's really hard to get off. Okay, let's do this. Here's the real test if this has already been sprayed. It'll spray right away. It didn't. Okay. Oh, dear glory. So for those of you who don't know, Bal D'Afrique, the original, it's a beautiful soapy fragrance, has a nice little spice to it. It smells incredible. Issue is, doesn't project the best, doesn't last the longest, but it smells so stinking good. Fell in love with it. Obviously this is just a cash grab, right? No. What they did, they added some beautiful sweetness, and the sweetness really rounds off the fragrance. It makes it project better, last longer, and if I'm honest, smell way better. I even had ladies smell it and they liked it. So for me, it's a win. I really liked what they did with the cap. It's kind of like an acorn, the way I look at it, or a walnut. I'll say a walnut. But we don't care about the presentation, we care about the scent. Let's go over the notes real quick. We got black currant, we got bergamot, lemon, praline, musk, violet, black amber, cedarwood, and vetiver. Did I buy a full bottle of the original Bal D'Afrique? No. But immediately I bought Absolu because I think this is just that much better. Now, longevity, if I remember correctly, I was getting about the 8-hour range, maybe closer to the 10-hour range. The problem I had, the first 4 hours I wore it, it was heavy projecting. Next two, it kind of projected, especially if you like moved your arm, you would smell it. After that, I went a little bit skin scent, which again, is it the worst to have a 6-hour fragrance that costs $275? You know, that's up to you. You're in charge of your own money, not me. I'm not in charge of it. Did I think it was worth it? Well, I bought it. So, you know what? I think it's a great fragrance. I'm looking forward to wear it. I think it's gonna be one I'm gonna wear a lot, especially in the springtime. I can see this being perfection. When it comes to that sweetness, a little bit of spice, that clean soapiness, it smells unique, it smells sophisticated, classy. Dress up or dress down, this fragrance is gonna work. Super excited to have it. What's your thoughts? What is your favorite Byredo? Did I mess up or did I get a win by buying this? By the way, it was about $40 cheaper than if I bought it in America. So I figured, hey, I had that going for me, even though I paid full retail for it.